Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I want to show you how to enable stacked menu option on your POCO phone. Can you see mine here? This is POCO F8 Pro. Let me show you quickly. This is POCO F8 Pro. So I want to show you this because if you realize you don't have this option on POCO Launcher. So for you to be able to enable this, step number one, head over to your Telegram, okay, and then search for POCO Launcher. POCO Launcher. You see this first one, tap on this. Then you see this version released on 11th of February. Download this version, okay? Download and install it to your phone. Then after that, go to Play Store and search for Brevent. Brevent. Can you see it? Search for this Brevent and install it, okay? Once you have installed this app, you open it. Then you scroll down, okay, accept. Then enjoy, launch Brevent, allow, okay. Now you can see that the Brevent needs developers option, okay. So you tap on this developers option and then make sure you turn on your developers option. If you have not done that, let me show you quickly. Go to your settings, go to about phone, and then tap on detailed info and specs. You see this OS version, tap on it more than 5 times. You see this option, no need, you are already a developer, you are good to go. So you can now go back to Brevent, head back to Brevent, okay, tap on this and then you scroll down and make sure you enable wireless debugging. Wireless debugging, look at it here. Then you turn on wireless debugging. You can see that already I have given permission to the Brevent. So what you will do, mainly you are here, you see this option, pair device with pairing code. Pair device with pairing code. Tap on it. You see this code, copy it, and then on your Brevent also do the same. Can you see this now? So I have the option wireless pairing. Wireless pairing. So I'll minimize. Okay. Then go back to your settings. Tap on additional settings. Tap on developers option. Then tap on wireless debugging. Pair device with pairing code. Tap on it. You see this code 2478702478780. 247870. Then swipe down, tap on this 247870 and okay it. You can see it has paired successfully. Can you see Brevent has been paired successfully? So from here you can head back to Brevent. Okay, where is our Brevent? Let me quickly search for Brevent. Look at Brevent here. You can see retrieving apps done perfectly. Can you see it now? So the next thing is to insert the command that will make us have this stacked menu option. Okay, list of your recent apps. Are we together? So for you to have this, now you need to paste this code. You see this code here. So we are going to paste this code into Brevent. Settings, put global task dash stack dash view dash layout dash style dash, that's space and 2. So we are going to copy this code. Okay, we'll copy this code and then we paste in Brevent. How are you going to do that? Tap on these 3 dotted lines, horizontal lines. Can you see them here? These 3 horizontal lines by the left hand side. Tap on it. Then you see execute command. Execute command. Tap on execute command. Can you see this? you okay this. Then here you will now paste this command. Alright, you don't need a system for this. Then you enter command. You will see it. So everything has been executed. So you can now check. You will see that you have this option in your launcher. I hope this tutorial was okay for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you.